Hello friends, how are you? I think so all are good and all things are also going good and well. So yes, your schools are open and holidays are off. Yeah, you are so sad, but don't be sad. If you want, you have that encouragement that you have read your chapter before your teacher and you will give easily the answer of the question when your teacher asks in your class. So you have to watch these videos because in these video I am clearing all doubts. I am pointing each and every short note of the book. So please like and subscribe this channel and follow this channel regularly for clear your all concepts about the science. Okay. So yes, we will start with the third part. All organism respire. Yes, respire. Without respiration, we cannot live. I think so. Nobody will live without respiration. We cannot live. No, I think so. Living organism will not able to live without respiration. So respiration is the most important thing in our life. We should have to respire. That means we should have to respire. We should have to do respiration process in our daily life 24/7 hours. If we stop our breathing system, we will die. Simple. So yes, we inhale air. We inhale air. That means we will take air inside our body. Inhale. That means inhale inside the body. From where we will take the air? Outside the body. Okay. So we will take air from the outside and we will take air inside our body. So that we inhale. We breathe out. That means we breathe out. We will breathe out our air from the inside the body. So where we will breathe out? Outside the body. Okay. So while we breathe out, air come from inside to the outside. While we inhale, come from outside to the inside. Both points are so important that we inhale the air inside the body from the outside. We breathe out the air from inside the body to the outside. Okay. Breathing is part of a process called respiration. Yes. Breathing is the main important part of the respiration because without breathing we will not able to do respiration process. If we not able to inhale and breathe out the air, so how we will breathing? And if we do not breathe, then how we will do the process of respiration? So breathing, respiration, inhale, breathe out, all words are mix match with each other. So we will inhale O2 and we will breathe out oxygen. Carbon dioxide. We will inhale oxygen and we will breathe out carbon dioxide. All of you know about that thing. These are the important things. Okay. Necessary. It is necessary for us for respiration. We have to respire for taking energy from our food. If we not respire, so there is no energy in our body. The food we eat, it will give energy to our body when it will mix with the blood and the air with the oxygen. Main thing with the oxygen, then it will provide energy to our body in the whole body. Okay. Animals have different mechanism. Animals have different mechanism of respiration. Fish will have gills. Humans will have lungs. Earthworm will respire through their skin. Okay. So different animals have different mechanism. Okay. Plants also respire. Did plants also respire? Yes, plants are also living beings. Plants are also living beings. So yes, they are also respire. They respire through leaves. Plants respire through the leaves. The tiny pores which present on the leaves, they taken out the oxygen in the process of respiration and they leave carbon dioxide as a human being. Yes, there is a doubt of you all of faced that we studied that plant will take carbon dioxide and leave oxygen, but no. When the plant doing respiration, they will take CO2, they will take oxygen and they breathe out with carbon dioxide. Okay, so there is a you can say twist in the chapter. Sunlight, plant and carbon dioxide give food and give oxygen to the humans and the plants. O2, that means amount of oxygen is much more. Amount of oxygen. When sunlight, plant and CO2 mix, they produce food and give out oxygen. So in one process they will take the oxygen and in one process they will give out the oxygen. So which amount is more? So the amount is much more in process of preparation of food of oxygen as they used in the respiration. That means this oxygen is much more as compared to this oxygen. So it is clear to all of you that plants will take also oxygen and give out also oxygen. So they will take and give out both the process available for oxygen, and both are happening for carbon dioxide. So this is the main point in the plant respiration, that they will take the oxygen in the respiration process and they will give out the oxygen in the preparation of food. That means photosynthesis process. Clear to all of you? Let's come to the next point. So yes, next characteristics of an organism is all organisms respond to stimuli. What is stimuli? What is stimuli? Try to understand that. What is stimuli? Change in surrounding and you have to respond. That is known as stimuli. Yes, go in your childhood. If your brother will push you, suddenly will push you from the backside and you will respond to that. You will lie down on the floor. That is known as stimuli. The push of your brother is known as stimuli. So yes, change in surrounding and you have to respond to them. That is known as stimuli. Change in surrounding and you have to respond to them is known as stimuli. Clear to all of you? I will give example also, that your brother will push you from the backside and you will fall down on the floor. That is known as stimuli. That you will respond to that action. Okay. Yes. Did flower also do stimuli? Yes. Did plants also do stimulus? Yes, they also did. You see, touch me not. If you touch that flower, you will keep the flower closed. He will do their flower closed. And the plants, some plants have flowers which are blossom at night. Okay, no, night queen plant is there. That bloom at only night, not in the day. That these are the stimuli. That change in surrounding. You have to respond to some particular thing that is known as stimulus. Okay. So each organism, if the organism is living, they will respond to the stimulus also. Next is excretion. Yes, when you do fresh, when you having a fresh moment in your life in the early morning, that is known as excretion. Getting rid of waste by organism is known as excretion. Yes, plants also do this, animals also do this, and human beings also doing this thing. Animals do, yes. Did plants do? Yes, they also do, but they will do these things in a different way. They will do this thing in a different way. Some plants will keep the wastage with them by not harming the plant. They will keep the waste material in any part of the plant that will not harm the plant, and some will excrete that the wastage through into the soil, that will fertile the soil also. Okay, so that's the process by which plant will excrete. But plants also do, animals do, human beings do. Okay, some remove as secretion. Secretion, that means the thing which is coming out from the plant, like a white milky thing is there in some plants. That is secretion of the plants. Okay, and the last of the characteristics of our organism is reproduction. It is very important. Reproduction. Yes, animals and plants have it. Animals and plants do this reproduction. Some will give egg, some will give direct birth, some will have different options for them. Yes, plants will have, some have flowers, seeds, some will plant by their fruit, some will plant by their stem. So different options are there for reproduction in plants. In animals, some are by egg, some give direct birth, as human will give birth to them. So different options are there, but yes, all animals and all plants will do reproduction. So yes, our chapter is finished today. Very large chapter. Yes, I know, very interesting also. So please revise this chapter till here. Tomorrow we will do the exercise of the chapter. Please revise day by day, and please follow my channel day by day. I will do my best to give you these videos. I've spent a lot of time, so please support this channel. Thank you.